Meanwhile, let's briefly shift focus back to the national capital. It's day 9 right now, where farmers' fury reigns on various highways and borders of Delhi. Well, right now, most farm unions, which had met the centre yesterday, are in a close huddle right before talks with the government on the third round of talks, which happen tomorrow. Well, this, as the second round of talks, did not yield any breakthrough. The third round of talks now will happen tomorrow, where the government will look at possibly conceding some ground. But will the farmers relent is the big question. Meanwhile, 6 entry and exit points to the national capital remain blocked as farmer agitation continues. Earlier, massive traffic snarls were reported at the Delhi-Noida flyover due to several borders being closed. And agitation continues. The centre yesterday said they were willing to consider tax parity between APMC and private mandis. The government also expressed its willingness to widen the role for APMCs in considering strengthening MSP and APMC, something which they were not in the favour of till now at least.
वो बिल बहुत खतरनाक है सारी जनता वास्ते।
ये क्यों आपको लगता है कि बिल खतरनाक है जनता के वास्ते?
खतरनाक इस करके है, जो छोटी किसानी है, जहाँ छोटे मजदूर है ना, उसके लिए इतने खतरनाक हैं कि उसको काम नहीं मिलना है। आगे तो बहुत गरीबी है भारत में, ये बिल लागू हो गए तो किसी को काम नहीं मिलना।
बिल्कुल नहीं ठीक हुआ जी। उन्होंने तो सुझाव दिए है भाई हमने ये कि आपको फायदा होगा, लेकिन फायदा नहीं होना। जो हमारी जमीन है काश्तकार कर रहे हैं वो अडानी अबानी ले जाएंगे।
सरकार इसको लंबा करना चाहती है। जैसे 2 महीने पंजाब में किसानों में टूर प्लाजों में, रेलवे स्टेशनों में, रिलायंस पंपों में प्रदर्शन किया, भी किसान थक जाएंगे, इसलिए सरकार उसको लंबा खींचनी चाहती है।
ये लोग आकर के जो दिल्ली जाने वाली मेन सड़क है जिसपे तमाम स्टेट जुड़े हुए हैं, उस रोड को इन लोगों ने जाम कर दिया। हम लोग कल से इनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप इस रोड को खाली कर दीजिए। इसमें हजारों एम्बुलेंस प्रतिदिन जाती हैं, वहाँ मेडिकल चिकित्सा तमाम मरीज कोरोना काल में जा रहे हैं, लेकिन इन लोगों ने रोड को खाली नहीं किया। हम लोग फिर भी वार्ता कर रहे हैं। अभी कुछ लोगों ने ले आके यहाँ दूसरे सड़क पर भी ट्रैक्टर लगाने का प्रयास किया था, उसको हम लोगों ने बातचीत करके इसको हटवाया है।
All right, let's listen to the Agriculture Minister.
MSP के मामले में लोग शंका की दृष्टि से देखते हैं, लेकिन मैं फिर यह कहना चाहता हूं कि MSP चल रही थी, MSP चल रही है, आने वाले कल में भी चलती रहेगी। इसकी आश्वस्ति भी हम किसान भाइयों को दिलाएंगे। और एक बात और चलाई जा रही है कि नए कानून के वजह से छोटे किसान की जो जमीन है उसको बड़े लोग हथिया लेंगे। वैसे तो एक्ट के जो प्रावधान हैं उसमें किसान को पूरी तरह सुरक्षा प्रदान की गई है। कहीं से लेकर कहीं तक कोई भी किसान की जमीन की लिखा पढ़ी नहीं कर सकता है। इस बात का प्रावधान एक्ट में ही है, लेकिन फिर भी लोगों की शंका है, तो शंका का निवारण करने के लिए सरकार तैयार है।
I'd like to connect to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, who's joining us right now from the Ghazipur border. Aishwarya, there's been a steady stream of farmers. There is a groundswell. In the last couple of days, we've seen a lot more farmers come in and join the protest. What are you witnessing around you? Also, Aishwarya, throw some light on this. There are claims that are being made that the farmers are not even allowing essential vehicles like ambulances. Is it true that they're not allowing ambulances to pass?
No, Preeti. At Ghazipur border, this does not stand true. I'll tell you, from what you see here, where the police personnel are standing, this is a lane which is designated for all the essential commodities. This one lane here that you see is specifically made for for all the essential commodities. In fact, just a couple of minutes back from here, an ambulance was allowed to pass. So the farmers are considerate enough. But yes, if other vehicles are trying to pass, then definitely the farmers are very clear. They will not let any other vehicle pass. Only ambulances and those which are carrying essential commodities are being allowed at the moment. The number definitely has also swelled up. If you see, now this entire stretch has been blocked and the number of farmers has also increased. Farmers have come from the state of Uttar Pradesh also. We understand a very small group of farmers just below this flyover are in a huddle. They want to make sure they are prepared for tomorrow's meeting. The other farmers are making sure that the morale is up because they want to keep the pressure on the government. Back to you, Preeti.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Aishwarya. We're going to continue to come back to you. So at least at Ghazipur is what my colleague Aishwarya just showed us that emergency vehicles like ambulances are being allowed to pass. We're going to keep a check on other borders as well, whether or not the farmers are allowing essential vehicles, because they promised that they will do so. And the police is saying they are not. So who is correct there? We're going to go into a quick break. To stay with me. Up next, we're going to get you the very latest coming in on the all-party meet with the Prime Minister on the go.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.